Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers Talk Primary Math Concept Session with Teacher Van. So I'm Teacher Van, so welcome to our session. Okay, you can find out more about us through our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers, or can follow us on our Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics English Hub. So this session, right, we actually will talk about one question, can be from top school paper or past year PSLE question. So for today, the question of the day will be ACS Junior P6 Prelim 2021 paper 2 question 7. So let's start with the question. Okay, Jonathan has some lollipops and he wants to put them into boxes. When he puts 4 lollipops into each box, he has 32 lollipops left over. When he puts 7 lollipops into each box, the last box has only 3 lollipops. How many lollipops does Jonathan have? So first what we need to do is we need to highlight key phrases. And we need to look at what is the question is asking for. So we know that Jonathan wants to put them into boxes. So there's two scenarios. The first scenario is when he put 4 lollipops into each box and he has 32 lollipops left over. So which means that after he packed all the boxes, he has 32 extra lollipops. When he put 7 lollipops into each box, the last box has only 3 lollipops. So this means that after packing everything into boxes, the last one, he has only 3 lollipops inside, which means there will be 4, he needs 4 more to make it full, and full which means that that box must have 7 if we consider it as full. So this is actually a tricky phrase, so that we need to analyze it later, and that actually will determine how we draw our model. Okay, for this concept, right, we actually put it under set or grouping concept. So first what we'll do is we will draw the model based on the leftover. So for us, we actually prefer to start to draw the model. If there's 2 scenarios, in this case there's 2. So the first scenario, there will be a leftover. So usually when there's leftover, we will start to draw the model based on that. Okay, first, when he put 4 lollipops into each box, that means that it was based on a multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 means that one box there will be 4. If there's 2 boxes, it will be 8, right? So it will be all based on multiples of 4. So we have 12, 16. So we just that we don't know how many boxes are there. But we know that after packing all into boxes of 4, he will left with 32. Okay, so what it means by left with 32, this means that this whole thing here will be the lollipops that Jonathan has in all. Okay, next. Based on that, we will draw an identical length. So this actually represents the number of lollipops that he has. And here we have a dotted line to show that actually he need another 4 more for the last box, so that he can ensure that the last one will be full. So first I will do a 7 minus away 3. So let me just remove this part. Okay, so for the last box, there's only 3 lollipops in that box. That means that there must be a short of 4 lollipops. And by doing that, I can show you that the whole thing here will be exactly multiple of 7. Now, then we will take 32, which is the leftover for the first scenario, and add another 4, which is what he needs 4 more in order to complete the multiple of 7. And we will call that as a total difference. Then we will look at the difference between the multiple. So we notice that if we take 4 minus away 3, so every box, if you compare box of 4 and box of 7, there will be a difference of 3, right? Yeah. So this total difference and this individual difference will actually tell you how many boxes you have by doing a division. Okay, so this is the total difference that we have, and this is the difference in one box. So that means that if we take the total difference divided by individual difference, we will get the number of boxes that Jonathan actually put all the lollipops in. And now we need to know how many lollipops does Jonathan have. So first, what we can do is we can focus on the first model. So we will take 12 boxes of 4. We take 12 times 4. That will give me 48 lollipops. Based on the number of boxes, then we just take 48 plus 32 to get 80 lollipops. So my answer for this question will be 80 lollipops. Now, it will be good if we can check with our second model. So for second model, there will be 12, let's say there's 12 boxes of 7. It will be 84, right? But we know that the last box, it only contains 3. So what we need to do is we need to take the 84 minus away 4, and still we'll get the same number of lollipops. So by doing this, you can actually check your answer without asking your teacher whether your answer is actually making sense or whether it's correct or not. So it's actually a good way to actually to try with 2 different methods and to ensure that you are getting the same answer. Okay, so with this, okay, don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook so that you actually get notification every time we have a new video on the question that we're trying to solve and help the students. Okay, you can feel free to share your question and comment on our YouTube channel or even on our Facebook. You can share with us what kind of question that you want us to discuss, or even tell us ask us any question. We will do our best to get back to you, or even to create videos to help you to understand the question better. Okay, thank you for your time, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.